I'm Sam Bryan, and this is Bro Ops. Do we really want him on our team? What? I'm not shooting him in the leg.
What's shooting in the leg?
He wants me to shoot you in the leg. Okay, now shoot the hat. He's trying to shoot the hat. No, the hat. That hat. Found him! He's that way. Go that way.
Are you coming this way?
I was running. He retreated. They're not over there. I saw someone move over there. I'll go check it out. Oh, I meant you.
Did I get that one?
Where?
Right there.
That's Dan, you idiot. Ceasefire!